Oo.
Well, by the way, I'm no longer wearing shirts and pants. I kept my
Di ko
shirt
nasundan
sleeveless.
yung unang ginawa niya eh.
I think
Power, ano pa?
closer, I
Ah,
can see my
I-check
arms.
yung
There's a
ano.
better pink and orange.
Doon ko na naabutan sa power off
Okay,
eh.
how about this angle right here? How about this
yung
angle?
opo, yung sa
Yes,
pag-power
right
off.
there. I see a teddy bear right there. Nice angles. Okay, now this angle.
Sige, pwede naman din dyan i-power off.
Or sa
Or sa SCBMM. Check pa din ano kung may checkpoint. Pero yung kanina naman wala.
I'm gonna take my face angle. Wait, no. Right? Yeah. Good. Oh, that looks nice right there. And then take a bus shot angle. Wow, I know.
Okay, sige, bibili tayong chips mamaya.
I think that looks good.
Morning.
Oh, morning. Eat ka muna donut.
Wait, is that another one?
Hindi
sa
na.
RTM.
Yeah.
This one. This one is the final one. Oh, nice. I like this too. The pillow says stay here. Yes, stay here. But only a good amount.
Power off yun, di ba? Doon sa SCBMM.
Tama.
Bali, dyan sa PRD22, dapat naka-RDP ka. Ayun, SCVPM PRD. Nasa kaliwa.
Photography skills are
Ito
Yung
ba?
kaliwa.
Hopefully you're taking good pics.
Yan.
Just admire me.
Yan. Close mo muna yung mga yan.
Here. One right here. Okay, all those are terrible. Please don't take those.
Yan, yung red.
Behind the headshot, have you done that before? I mean, it looks kind of cool. Oh, is it?
Ayan, cancel. Yan.
Ayan.
Yan.
And finally,
Two.
did we
Tama naman
do
ah.
the
Yan.
steering?
Right
Opo.
click.
At
This is
check pa ba or
everyone. Wait, there's a
Nakuha mo naman na yung mga technical details dyan. Ano.
opo?
Check mo na lang din kung may checkpoint. Alam ko, bili ni dyan kailangan walang checkpoint. Properties.
And then we have this.
Checkpoints.
This. Steering. That's like computer shot.
Ay, wala naman. Sige, power off
What
na.
else? How to make this look good? I'm not sure. And like
Power off ko na po.
that
Ah.
looks nice. Yeah, I
Ay,
think we're done.
power off po siya.
Power
So
off.
in case you want to find a good angle, if I'm getting too into this, oh wait, are those candles? Take a picture of me looking at candles. Oh yeah, look at this. Hey, look, get take a picture with a teddy bear. Myself.
So, off na po siya.
I think this is good.
And then, sa snapshot.
Ri! Kain na! Ikuha mo ng tubig si Yuri.
It's my turn.
All the pictures, hopefully you got good pictures. Last one.
Bakit na?
Last one. Looks like I'm tripping on the shelf. I'm getting some artistic motivation. Look at this artisticness. Oh yeah, looks like I'm trying to grab something from the shelf. And then if I can take a nice face. Oh, right here. Oh, perfect. Right about here. Okay, that looks nice too. Whoa, I think this is one of my favorite ones. And I get the beautiful lighting. I don't usually take pictures because I'm not a very picture person, but I think this look is one of my favorites. And now let's do this angle. Looks like it's trying to grab the book. So cute. And a tree covering view. If you'd like to see, oh wait, I have it. Everything you can do with Roblox, my goodness, is beautiful. Oh, right there. That looks like I'm stalking you through this tree shot. And here's the final view for more of the face picture.
Sige pa, check out.
Yeah, maybe we're done.
Ano
Here's
pa?
one with the teddy bear down there, right?
Check mo na sa dismanagement sa
Now,
dito
I
na
think
dito.
we're officially done. Oh wait, no we're not. This is the final one.
Sa server manager ata yan.
Server manager yata yun.
This.
Dun sa host, no po? Tama ba ako?
I hope you got all the
That-
pictures.
tama.
you
So,
Open
Jen,
ako ng bago.
Oo, RDP ka yung node 2 naman na server.
Okay po.
Shirtless? Oh no, I was never.
Tama lang.
Wait.
Node 1 pa.
Carry lang po. Pwede ma-access naman siya doon. Ayun.
Ah.
Sige. Yan, okay na yan dyan.
Even though I still love you, Roblox.
Naging sa 01 lang tayo magmamemory.
Okay.
If you like my hair, then thank you for
Ah.
loving my hair. I love it too.
Tapos dito
I
po,
might change my hairstyle every now and then. This will be my overall look.
Malapit na to. Bakit?
But I can change other stuff like my hair, my face, my
Eh, kumain ka naman na dyan.
body even. Just go all out, create anything you like, be as creative as you can.
Parang ganon. Team lead,
This face, I mean, this
specialist,
face
ganon.
too. Wow. I haven't worn this face since.
Yeah, tapos this computer
Hindi ko po
management.
partner. Parang kung sino lang on call na pwede.
This game is too easy. And this is my first Roblox
Tapos this
game
management.
officially on my channel after a while.
Minsan parang ayoko na din eh. Kasi ano na, bigger.
Whatever.
Yep. Okay ba
Great
din
power
yan?
comes with
I see something there.
great
Yung
responsibility.
ilalim na.
Skill check.
Hanapin mo dyan kung saan siya. I-online mo yung kahit sino dyan. $26.73 yan. Yun. Tapos mag-assign ka ng letter. Change drive.
Bandang gitna daw dyan.
Okay.
Pwede po ba?
Bandang gitna daw, sabi ni Jan. Pagpili.
F.
Para sure na walang
Oo. Para sure daw.
Eh, magkita mo naman yung mga letters dyan, kung sino yung may, kung ano yung mga letter na mayroon na.
This game is
Ito po ba yung akin?
2673 M, yan, yan, yan.
play because I'm only 2 years old.
Ayun, okay. Punta ka na sa, sa server mismo, sa destination. Nandiyan ka naka-management.
folder po.
Ayan, yan, File Explorer.
Soup. But of course, the best place to enjoy soup
Hanapin mo siya dyan.
is in the bathroom with the person.
Pero parang pagka nasa IT world, parang alam mo na great power comes
Okay na ako.
with responsibility.
Right, thanks, so. Pwede na ako maglagata.
Saan na ba yun kay Joe?
Wala, di ba?
Ah, okay na.
Wala na ata. Excited na ako eh.
Excited. Oh my goodness.
Hindi na natin kailangan si Jom, no?
Tapos na rin po ba yung kay DJ?
Nice.
Hindi lang kay DJ
I just
naman.
realized if you hate me
Pa.
so much,
Pero
you
bakit
can come to
yung
me.
snapshot
You
ng
just type my
face
name
lock?
and you start beating me up. I
Ano
wouldn't
nangyari sa
mind
face lock?
it.
Okay na, oo. Okay na, di ba?
Welcome to
Okay na
class,
yan.
everybody. We'll be enjoying.
Tapos,
Mike
business day, okay na po si
I can enjoy
ECU team.
myself.
Okay, pavalidate ko na.
Guys, is this how you feel?
I
when
am
you're
to
watching
at saka
videos?
si
I
ECDC
just
eh.
constant annoyance buzzing around
Okay.
you. Alright, let's yeet
Oo,
myself.
pwede na siguro si Joms.
Literally gotten a 3rd-degree concussion.
Sige, gising pa naman ako pagka,
Happy weekend ka na.
Pero happy weekend na.
Happy weekend.
Kahit ilang oras lang.
Except in a video game.
Sige, good luck sa inyo. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Fred. Thank you.
Application.
Glorious heat.
Fred,
Oh my god.
na-validate mo na dyan yung...
Papa.
Okay. Pili ka na ng paglalagyan yan sa cluster storage.
Ito po ba yung kinakopy natin kanina para hindi na bumalik?
Alright, activate.
Or
Yan yung source. Yan yung source.
I think you should add a bit more to this.
Hindi yan yung kinakopy natin.
Ay.
Yan yung source. Yan yan.
This one's not.
So, yung kakopy mo ito, yan, yung ginagawa mo ngayon. So, may ano tayo, best practice rule of thumb. Hindi pinagsasama sa isang storage ang multi-node na servers. Okay? So, for example, dyan, Dynatrace may 1 and 2. Hindi mo siya ilalagay sa 1 pareho. Kailangan isipat mo siya sa iba yung ibang node.
So kahit
Pero ano,
or
real quiz ko lang sa'yo. Bakit? Tingin mo bakit? Ba't kailangan ko siya pag-iwalayin?
You get a nice smack in the forehead. That's what I've always wanted. One thing that you should never ever bring to airport is weapons.
kasi po baka po magka-mix up lang po ba.
Now I'm really exposing my neck.
Hula ko lang po.
Sige.
Di ko narinig yung tanong, may pa-quiz. Ano pong tanong?
Kasi yun nga, yung rule of thumb natin, pag may
Opo.
multi-node na servers, like tulad yan, 1 and 2, ang rule of thumb natin, hindi sila dapat magkasama ng storage ng data store.
Opo. Okay.
Yes. Ngayon, tinatanong ko si Jen. Sa tingin niya, bakit?
With this guy, of course. I think this is the most.
Baka magkamit sa file names. Ano po ba?
Oo.
Reference. Ow.
O sige, dagdagan natin yung tanong. Sa tingin mo, bakit dalawa yung Dynatrix 1 and 2?
Okay, not bad. More entertaining.
Backup server.
Boy.
Para may load balance.
Load
Kaya,
balance.
para maganda, yung isa may isa ka pa.
Okay.
Ngayon,
Tama naman.
Kung yung dalawa na yan, nasa node 1,
Okay.
nasa storage volume 1, tingin mo ano mayayari kung yung volume 1 nag-down?
Walang mare-recover. Corrupt lahat.
Parehas ng node
Yes.
1 nandiyan. So,
Redundancy
wala,
niya
recover.
yan.
Oo. So, tawag doon yun, redundancy.
Yeah.
Dapat, isa mo nasa volume 3. Sa 3 mo ilalagay yung node 2 mo.
This one's the most simple animation, but it's so.
Painot-inot
Yeah,
yun.
it's
Matutunan
exactly
mo yung
the
mga best
term.
practice na
Ayun, thank you po.
Yeah, exactly the term. Narinig ko na rin yan sa kanila.
Oh my god, okay. What happens
Same
if I just
here.
stay
I
in
was
one shot random
PS
all
ECE
together?
graduate.
This is
But I
pretty
tried
legit.
for a few
I
months
feel like the loudest one.
sa field ko, but then hindi pinala. So, I was
so gonna miss this
traumatized.
person sitting on the toilet.
So, nag-try ako ng IT. And okay naman. So far, so good. Stressful, yeah.
Like this bacon boy right here.
So, after pa dito,
So, you're working di naman pala almost simple usahay, di ba? Di naman tayo
may nakapin na
tayo.
sir.
na Hyper-V po.
You're working on-site?
Po, meron na po.
Anong company?
Why? No. You get kicked.
Ito po.
Yes, I can carry her. Please. No, she ran away. Hey, what? No, stop. That's my car. Let me ride you inside your car real quick.
Important.
No, you better not drive away.
Right-click,
Oh my goodness.
right-click yata dyan sa host.
Ow! No! You better
Nandyan yata import. Yan.
No,
Ay,
don't try
dito
me.
sa 01. Sa 01 ba, sir?
Stop.
Yes.
Yan, right-click.
Oh, you're dead. Oh, you're dead.
Ah.
Oh, you're dead. Oh, you're
Pwede
sick.
dyan.
Oh my God.
Yung Hyper-V Manager, tas my host.
I'm about to use your shotgun.
Yan, right-click ka dyan. Nandyan yata import. Yan.
My body! This guy is sniffing the concrete floor.
Tapos,
What the heck, pink man?
ipipaste yung kanina.
Hey, for what you have done to me, you will suffer with all your might. Yes! Spaghetti. What you gonna do
Yung
now?
F.
Oh, it disappeared. Scary world we live in, people. Especially when cars look like this. Oh, this make it look so sad.
Narinig ko na rin
And then,
How?
Same here. I was PS
ECE
graduate.
My leg.
I tried for a
Yes,
few
boy.
months
You. I will not love you.
sa
Do not do it.
I know.
We have the same hand. We wear the same thing. We both died
Unique.
together.
So, nag-try
Wait, I know unique.
Ako.
So far, so
No,
good.
no,
Stressful,
don't.
yeah.
Okay po.
Wow, you are bad. Oh my goodness, what's happening
You're
here?
working
I'm doing stuff.
di naman pala almost simple
And
usahay.
then, paste
Di
lahat.
tayo nagkakalayo.
What the heck is wrong with this woman? What is she doing?
You're working on-site?
We're both
Ito po yung nasa C.
Oh wow, look at that woman. She is all over that man.
Hmm.
It literally looks like we're having fist fight.
Or data store. Next.
Oh,
Cluster story.
Oh my god, it's just the squad. Hello? Are you okay?
Nagpolit yung F.
Oh my, this person's stomping on them. Stop. Hi, Peppa Pig. I see you're standing over the ledge there. Let me just kick you real quick. No. I don't kick people in this game. Uh-oh.
Ito po.
Guys, lesson learned.
Where
Please
do you
don't
want
do this.
Store. Okay, so yung ulit.
40. Yeah, I know. It's surprising I'm not 40.
Destination
So funny.
yan.
You guys roasted me. Come on,
Papa.
Kids and Lover. Do you really love kittens? If you do, then you would be beating me.
Public.
Oh, there's Belle. Ah, you don't love kittens. Like I was saying, apple juice
Papa ba?
has,
Tama.
I think acid in it.
Nasa
Like
pa
the good
yung
kind of
backup.
acid that, what was freaking hell? The acid that you like when you
Tapos
drink
screenshot.
apple juice. It just tasty. Uh-oh, did not touch the ground. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. Oh, wait, what the? Complete the secret hobby to receive a badge. I think you spelled receive wrong. Yeah, I am an obby pro. Oh no, I just messed up as soon as I said that. This way, then we're gonna go this way here. Nice, 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 and then that way. And then maybe here, and then there. Ooh, very purpley. Is acid supposed to be purple or green? I feel like it could be purple
Then,
sometimes. Right?
finish.
What the heck? Oh, what is this? Oh my. It's spaghetti noodles. I can't stand all this. Ooh, I did it. Okay, just drop down. Oh man, are you kidding me? That's dumb. Go, and then we go, and then we go, and then careful, and then go, and then and then we're ooh. Alright, gonna go first person because it's easy, and then we're gonna jump like this. Whoa, that's not fair. That's stupid. Yeah.
True. Grabe.
Hi there, Ducky.
Iyak talaga ako
Can you help me
noon.
find my son?
Kinausap ako ng supervisor ko kung gusto ko na ba daw mag-teach kami ko.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I
Okay, please,
think.
Sure, I'll help you find your son. I will award a badge if you can find him. So where can I find him? He's hiding in this lobby somewhere. Anything else? He is also location sometimes. Thanks, I will find. Bye. Little did you know, I will not actually be finding his son. Ooh, this map looks so cool. It's kind of futuristic with the green and gray. Like I'm in some sort of computer and everything. This is so lit and cool. I just almost drooled out of my mouth. We're just gonna go this way, this way, there, and then Obby Pro. This is really nothing if you think about it, because I do a lot of Tower Pick videos, and Tower Pick is so easy. I've completed every single one of them. Oh, what is this? Whoa, that was trippy. Oh, what in the... This is even more trippy. Okay, I'm going right now. Okay, hurry, nice, and then we go this way, and we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go there. Where? This way? Wait! Oh no, somebody needs to press that button. Wait, I don't want to press it. Okay, you know what? Whatever. I'm sacrificing for you, and if you all survive and I die, I will hate you. Oh, wait. Oh, right here. Okay. Wait, I still have a chance. Oh, I know. I literally sacrificed myself, and you guys didn't even care. You guys didn't even say thank you. I am now offended. Oh my
Yan, okay na po.
goodness. Not only does
Tapos
your
na.
Mickey
So,
Mouse
tapos
paint
na
t-shirt
yun po.
look
Ano next?
horribly photoshopped,
Yung
just take a look
nag-rename
at
kaya
his
ata ng
back
mga
muscles.
disc nun
So childlike. No.
para maano
Look
din
at this, my queens.
uniform.
This room's
Ah.
made out of pink polka dots.
Dito
That
po
means I'm
muna.
gonna win for sure. This is by
Yep.
far one of my favorite maps because it's made out of
Ito yung
lollipop. Do you guys suck on lollipops or chew on them? I kind of do both sometimes when I feel like one or the other.
Then after 12,
They recovered. Wow. Genius.
running
Hello?
set.
Are you floating in midair? You know I can get you banned
Ay.
from that. I like to get cavities.
Settings.
Yum yum. Cavities are delicious. Yum yum.
Okay,
You see
sorry.
these M&Ms in a
Pasolver
bowl?
ko muna.
Please don't put them in a bowl. Instead, put them in your mouth because it is more tasty than putting it in a bowl. Genius. Side
Ayan ako
ice
sa'yo.
cream
May
sandwich.
bibigyan ako sa'yo. Para di ka na
Toxic lollipop.
Open mo
It's
yung
made out of
properties
salad
ng
juice.
BF mo.
Gross. I'm doing quite well so far. I probably should not say
Ah,
that because I
ano-
might change myself.
Hyper-V Manager, right click kaya ata dyan.
Go.
Right-click mo
Easy.
yan. Tapos
Proper.
It's
settings.
not very intense.
Settings.
You see the lava down there? It's never going to petrify. Wait, did I say lava? I meant
Yes,
acid.
So, yan yung rel template. So, i-drag mo yun sa kaliwa.
Sir,
Tapos,
please move it. You're too slow.
kanan
See,
yung-
look at me. This is why you should go faster than ever.
File
Paano
Explorer.
Character named
Yung mismong window ng settings, ilagay mo sa left. Yan.
Candy cane.
Tapos, yung folder sa kanan.
No, these candy canes.
Ngayon,
Nahulog ko
palitan
sa-
mo yung settings template.
Are these flat M&Ms? Maybe these are
Ilagay mo sa
I had some on a cupcake and it looked so pretty. Whoa, wait a minute. Am I drawing? No way. I got my first win!
Ayan, so in a way na mababawasan mo yung room for error na magkamali ka ng assignment at least.
Hey guys, bet you can't find
So,
me.
that,
Sucks. You
sa
found
ganyan
me.
situation, pwede mo na agad i-rename, ipalitan yung
Well, that's because we're gonna be
assignment
playing a
ng
train game.
dun sa
No,
settings.
you won't be getting ran over.
Pag po ba naka-browse?
I'll be your leader, okay? Wait, what do I do?
So,
Show the
pwedeng
pickaxe,
prior
destroys the
to
double.
import,
And then I
pwede na
destroy
siyang
nature
palitan.
because I don't want humans to
Para,
breathe, apparently.
or,
And then I'm gonna grab this
Oh, pwede rin.
wood
Dun
and
sa
Oo.
cabin na nilagay ni
you can
Joe.
turn these
Pwede
into
mo na siyang
rails.
palitan doon.
And if you guys can't tell, the train is moving so
Pero-
slow like a turtle.
Actually,
And
hindi.
the
Huwag
ending
na lang.
point is the
Wag.
school.
Huwag mo gawin.
so, ito na po ang best practice.
Ito.
Okay, okay.
This bacon is not cooperating. No, they're being mean. Oh no!
So, apply.
Where's the wood? Quick!
Baka malito ka lang kasi.
Screen, my gamers.
Para
This is
meron
what's
kang
happening.
turn.
Gotta
May
go.
point of return ka.
The train has to burn at least 2 times. That's one of my
Yan.
goals.
Tama na.
Ano po, pag sa IT, medyo delay pa eh. Medyo professional. Bawal yung mga ganun. Sa
ba?
film, yes, sa production, sobra.
And then welcome to the upgrade section where you can upgrade your trains if you'd like.
Tayo.
Oh,
Ano pa?
this one looks
And then-
cute. I want this one, please. Hey guys,
Ito
I'll
po.
press this, okay?
Times
Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna place it right there. Yep,
Apply.
did it. No!
Saka may isa pa.
Ah, too late. I just ruined our train.
Mama, I will. Later. Wait mo, matatapos na si Mama
Oh
dito.
my God.
Wait mo na si Mama. Wait mo.
Okay.
Oo, wait mo.
Start na ka siya. Okay.
Go,
Tapos
go.
okay na po.
Read my
Mm.
first
Okay na po.
guys.
That's
Hear
walk
this.
lang.
We're
Okay na.
going to
Walk
chop
lang.
the trees.
Connect na po.
That work good. Slice open their stomach and pull out their hearts from their stomach. Oh, why is my screen turning red? Wait, I don't think that's good. Uh-oh. Do I need a... Oh, I saved us, guys. You're welcome. Help! I'm Tuck. Oh, you're Tuck. Don't worry, I'll help you get untuck. Stuck. Don't actually get them unstuck. Please don't. Let them stay stuck there forever, please. Okay, I'm just gonna place my rail here, and I'm gonna place another one there. And okay, let's keep on going, guys. We're going to add some more stone there. Wow, the bacon's doing a lot of work. Bro, help. Where's buckets? It's right here. I see it. I have the god eyes. Yes, go, fill it. Oh, I'm filling it up. Go. Go. I'm the bucket master. Help, I can't get to it. Oh, no. This is bad. Oh, I saved it. Oh. We won. Oh my god, if it wasn't for me, we would have lost. Somebody grabbed Pac-Man. Why would you do that? No. What happens if I just stand here? Will they yell at me? Come here. Woof. Okay, bark. Uh-oh, our train is about
Ayan,
to crash.
okay na po.
Please, someone.
Nice. Okay, so...
Nice.
Hide the pickaxe right
Last
here
step na
somewhere.
tayo.
Yeah, okay, nobody's ever gonna find that.
Balik ka dun
Guys,
sa host.
oh my god, we're gonna lose because our pickaxe is gone, lol.
Saan po?
Wait, I
Sa
can get rid of tracks.
CHS1.
Hold up a second. Oh my god. Oh, I just got rid of a track. Oh, I'm gonna place a track right there. Uh-oh. We're gonna
Yeah,
crash.
nandyan ka pa
Guys,
yata.
we're gonna
Yan,
crash
nandiyan
into
ka
some
na.
rocks. Yay.
CHS1.
Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Oh,
Yeah.
somebody saved
Open,
us.
ilog mo yung server manager
Somebody found
niya.
the pickaxe. Ugh. Guys. Our train is overheated.
Yung
Let's
server
not
manager
heat
sa
it up,
baba,
boys.
sa taskbar.
Let's keep it chill and fresh. Just like my mom's spaghetti. Players are not allowed to fill up the bucket.
Tapos
I failed a
tools,
task because of that. Are you
failover
kidding me?
cluster.
Even the game wants us to fail.
Then
Yeah.
Oh, I can't find myself. Where do
So
I
yung
go?
last step.
Am I
Tapos,
stuck? Wait,
yan,
is that
pause mo lang
me?
yan. Just, ano,
Ay,
Wow,
Okay
I
lang.
completed the train
Nag-
without
ano
me.
lang
I
siya,
did nothing
nag-minimize.
but just sticking myself in the dirt. So I'm currently
Then,
holding an axe right
click
now,
mo yung
but nobody
cluster.
can see it because I'm gonna be
may
alone.
arrow
I'm gonna make
sa
everybody
kaliwa.
fail right now because of what they've done to me.
Ako, cluster.
Oh, they're panicking.
Then,
Okay,
hindi
you know
yan.
what?
Yung
Fine,
sa
I'll-
baba.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Then, yan.
Please, get on
Yan.
this. Yes, go!
Yung parang, ano tawag dito? Greater than. Yan, greater than.
Oh, poop.
Click mo yung roles.
No, wait,
So, nasa cluster ka. nung ng mga host ng yan, ng team. So, click mo yung notes, introduce ko lang sa'yo yung cluster.
What the heck?
Click mo yung notes.
Ito po ba, notes?
Yan. So, nakita mo, yung kinonekan mo kanina, 1, 2, 3, 1 lang. So, meron pa kasi yan 2, 3, 4. Okay? Natawag dyan, host.
Opo.
So, sa virtualization ng mga server, tawag dyan host. Siya yung nag-host ng virtual machine. Wag na, nasa loob niya yung machine. So, sa ngayon, yung machine mo nasa node 1. Ngayon, paano mo siya may share sa 2, 3, and 4? So, para ma-share mo yung virtual machine mo sa 2, 3, and 4, kailangan mo siya i-add dyan sa cluster. So, click mo yung roles. Pansin mo, wala dyan yung server mo. Okay? Ngayon, para ma-add yun, right-click mo yung roles.
Guys, there are a bunch of rails here.
Configure
Oh my
roles.
goodness, my gamers are not good
Then,
with the eyeballs.
next.
Oh no, our thing is on fire.
Scroll down.
Get the water. Yes, go baby.
Then, look for
Wait,
virtual
can you run in
machine.
this game? I'm gonna hide the water somewhere, so hopefully they don't
Next.
see it while I'm hiding it. Uh-oh, guys, what
Yan.
are you gonna do?
So,
Where's
automatic
the
yun,
water?
na-detect
Okay,
ng
where is it?
ng failover cluster manager na meron kang virtual machine
Guys, I found it. Should
na
I
wala pa
go for
sa
it? Okay, you know what?
cluster.
Fine, I'll fix it.
Baga hindi pa siya nakashare sa ibang node.
Behind that tree.
So, pag ginawa mo na yan, makishare na siya. Oh, pwede yan sabay. Next mo lang.
Okay po.
Hey, we just lost a
Next.
worker. What the heck?
Wait. Mabilis lang naman yan. Yeah, wait mo lang. Bilis lang yan.
Go to heck one day. That was not nice of him. Go,
Then, finish.
Water.
Yan. So, ayan. Pakita ko sa'yo magic. Okay?
Yay, we did it.
Open. Click mo yung yung Dynagy 01 mo. Highlight mo lang. Yan.
No,
Ngayon,
Okay.
gusto ko open mo yung Hyper-V Manager. I-click mo.
Ano po, click one, click lang.
Hindi. Yung Hyper-V Manager sa baba, sa taskbar. Click mo yan. Yan. Click mo yan. Nakikita mo nandiyan yung 01 mo, di ba?
Opo.
Yan. So, tanda mo nandiyan siya. So, balik ka dun sa Failover Cluster Manager.
That means I can't go
So,
back.
minsan may magsasabi sa'yo FCM. FCM yun. Yan. Short term. So, right-click mo yung yung Dynagy 01. Right-click. Move.
Okay.
Then, live migration. Best possible node. So, ililipat mo yung machine sa ibang host within the cluster. Ako si admin, kiniklik ka. Wag mo na, cancel mo. Wag mo muna siya. Sabi mo ulit lang, may sinagawa ka pa. Right click, move,
Somebody's
cursing.
live migration, best possible node.
Yan, nasa call pa
So,
ako.
yan. May message yan sa kanan, hindi mo na nakikita, pero yan. Sabi niya, minamigrate niya. So, ngayon, yung Dynagy PRD01 mo, nasa 04 na siya na host. Ngayon, punta ka dun sa taskbar Hyper-V Manager.
I'm leave. Bye. IDC. Whatever. I never liked this job anyways. I'm gonna become a dumpster man.
Nasa na yung 01. Wala na. Diba? Lagot ka na, wala na. Joke lang. Pero, right-click mo yung Hyper-V Manager na word sa kaliwa. Right-click mo yan.
I need a promotion. I need
Connect
more
to
money
server.
because my family and I are kind of poor. Can you just
Type mo
like,
dyan
you know,
yung
give me more money?
CHS1.
Wow, we're done already? This is crazy.
HS1?
No!
Gawin mo lang din yun, pero may 04 siya.
Why are you saying that? That's not nice. Here,
No, no,
let
no.
me help you guys.
Hindi.
Ah,
Yung
sige.
host. So, CHS1.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
yes, dynamite. They want dynamite. Okay. Will they realize where I am? I'm
Talip
not
na
gonna-
01, lagay mo
Who's
04.
missing? Her! Oh, sorry
That's
guys.
okay
I was taking a nap.
Okay mo.
Wait, they're vote kicking me. Wait,
Then,
can we do that?
check
No,
mo
they
yung
can't.
4.
Oh,
Ayan. So,
my
yun.
goodness.
Yun yung mali.
So much
Pero
Tawag
ba't
dyan
isa lang
kaya
po?
This is so simple.
Ba't ito lang po yung laman?
Simple, I'm telling you.
Na-move. Kasi yan na may minove mo eh. Diba yung 01, nandiyan pa siya sa 1. Ay, 2 nasa 1. So, may lipat din. Sige, lipat mo.
Toilet. That was my food. No, last
Pero,
Oh yeah, well,
Ah, sige.
I'm gonna do
Mahalaga dyan, magkaiwalay sila. So, best practice dito. Magkaiwalay sila ng story, magkaiwalay din sila ng host.
Okay po.
So, ganun din yung purpose kung bakit. For the redundancy. Para in terms na mag-down yung isa dyan, nandun dun yung isa, nasa kabilang host siya.
Opo.
They'll never be able to find it.
Ah, okay.
Place it
Sige
right
po.
about here.
Medyo
And this
madaming
final
information ah.
Ah,
Wow, our leader has failed us. They just
yeah,
said
tapos ka na.
oops,
Pwede ka na
construction job.
mag-validate kay Windows sa kay Western.
Oh yeah, well I'm gonna take the rails
Ah.
away.
So,
I'm just gonna
paano
push the
po?
rails
I-email
there,
lang po ba
and then
sila
take
or?
this rail
As
here,
business din
and
na
then
balay.
like, yeah, and
Ah,
then
okay.
no more
Okay.
rails.
Pero kailangan mo inform sa business.
Okay po.
Sige, kunyari hindi ako nakikinig. Inform mo ko dyan.
Copy po.
One,
Ayan.
Prod China G, Prod 0102, ready na for validation.
Yes po.
Tapos no? Okay.
Galing.
Sige, wait lang kayo dyan. Magkano time mag-validate.
Okay, thank you.
Why'd I die?
Ah,
Somebody just ran over my dead body.
later na. Actually, pasag pa ako. Tsaka, yeah, nasa call pa ako eh.
Can I at least honk? We're gonna be going on an
Almost
amazing
done
trip
naman
with
na.
me.
Miss Mary.
Nobody
Hello po.
else will enjoy this life as much
Yes
as
po.
me.
Meron nakalagay ko dun sa sa CHS1 na
But with the car instead of the bike.
CHS1 HCBRB01 gamit yung infrared.
Yes po.
Such a safe way to drive.
May ginagawa ka po dun currently.
Wala po. Si John po yata yan. Pwede na pong i-kick yun.
Pwede na i-kick yung pang
Opo.
Okay, okay. Sige
Ayan.
po.
Okay.
Okay, nakalagay na isa may inaano pa ako.
Ah, sige po. Okay po. Go po. Okay na po. Thank you po.
What kind of road is this? Oops. Oh no, I forgot. I can go through trees. Dude, no! Wait, I forgot to mention that I am actually really bad with cars. Don't you dare. Don't. Okay, let's stop right here. Reverse. Crisscross. Everybody clap your hands. Finally, a real road. My mommy told me to stay on the right side. The left side